Let's move on to the very next question. Figure 2.1 shows a cylinder containing a gas compressed by the movement of a piston. Initially, the volume of the gas was 470 centimeter cube. The piston moves up and compresses the gas to a volume of 60 centimeter cube. The whole arrangement is left for some time until the gas cools to its original temperature. The pressure of the gas is now 800 kilopascal. Calculate the initial pressure of the gas. So here we have volume V1 as 470 centimeter cube, volume V2 as 60 centimeter cube. We have the final pressure P2, while initial pressure P1 is asked to be calculated. Pressure P is inversely proportional to volume, specifically when temperature is kept a constant, or in other words, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. You can rewrite the equation in terms of P2 as, or P1 rather, since we're trying to find P1, as P1 is equal to P2 times V2, which is 800 into 10 to the power of 3 times B2, which is 60, divided by V1, which is 470. So we get the new value of pressure to be approximately 102 kilopascal. Explain in terms of molecules the effect on the pressure of the gas if it was not given time to cool to its original temperature. If the molecules or the effect of if the molecules were not given enough time to cool down to its original temperature, they would have a higher amount of kinetic energy, which means there would be a greater amount of collisions, a higher kinetic energy per molecule, which would result in a greater number of collisions, not only amongst or between the molecules themselves, but also with the walls of the container, which would eventually result in an increase in pressure. An increase in pressure. The area of the piston is 5.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. Calculate the force exerted by the gas on the piston when the pressure is 800 kilopascal. Here we have been given the area A. We know pressure P. We are asked to find force F. Force, area, and pressure are related by the equation pressure equals force over area, or force equals pressure times area. Substitutions are as follows: 800 kilopascal times area, which is 5.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. Simplifying, we get the value of force as approximately 4,400 Newton.